Welcome back everyone. In this lecture we are going to be learning about strings. Now I already gave you an introduction about strings in our very first section. Now we are going to learn about strings in detail. We are going to do a short recap on what strings are. Now strings are a collection of characters. Basically they're just a bunch of text or sentences or words, collection of words or characters of any sort. Now they must always be inside single quotes or double quotes. Always remember, anything inside double quotes or single quotes is a string, and if it is not inside the quotes, it is not a string. So always remember that. Now another important thing to remember is that whenever we count the number of characters of a string, the counting starts from 0. Whenever we are dealing with computer stuff, we always count from 0. Not from 1, but from 0. So suppose we have a string Pikachu, which is my favorite Pokemon. The counting always starts from 0. Whatever string it is, the counting is going to start from 0. So in this case, when we count it normally, there are 7 characters, right? P-I-K-A-C-H-U, 7. But in programming languages, whenever we are dealing with the computer, we are counting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means there are just 6 characters and we are counting from 0. So remember, in strings, when we count the number of characters, we are counting from 0. Alright? That means the 0th letter of our string is P. The first letter is I, the second letter is K. You get the point. You get the point, right? Alright. Now, there are ways in which we can use that inside our program. So I'll show you that. Okay, so we have opened up our PyCharm here. Very cool. Now A equal to Pikachu. Alright, very cool. Now, in case we just want to see the first letter of our string. So to do that, all we have to do is print A. Then we use the square brackets. Remember, we are not using the parenthesis, we are using the square brackets A of 0. Now I already told you which is the 0th character in the string. Yes, P. So now let's run this and check if it is working. Yes, in the output screen we get P. Now in case we change this 0 to 1, let's run this again. We get I. That means our second character or second letter. Now if you want the 5th character or the 5th letter to print, just select A, inside the square brackets 5. We run this, we get H. So we can access individual letters of a string by using the string name, the string variable name, square brackets, the number of the character you want to print. In this case 5, and we get H. Very cool. Remember, the counting starts from 0. That is very important. Remember that always. That is the basics of string. Now in our coming lectures, we are going to deal more about string. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching and have a great day.